Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI art for free in 2023. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch till the end of the video. So for this tutorial, we're going to have a Discord account. If you don't have a Discord account, you can actually download Discord and create an account for free. And we're going to be using a Midjourney for this one. Midjourney is a very popular AI generating application or software, whatever you call it. So we're going to use Midjourney through Discord, and if you don't know how to do that, just search Midjourney Discord on Google and you'll be able to get that link for the invite. And once you click on that and accept the invite, you'll be able to enter the Midjourney server, which looks like this one. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to just click one of the newcomer rooms here. Just click one of the servers. So just click on newbies 159, and for this one, just type imagine, right? And just type the details of the photo that you want to be generated. So something like ice dragon, ice background, hyper realistic, 4K. And you should type --v space 4 to use version 4, which is the latest Midjourney version. So after that, just type -- again, and for the aspect ratio, we can choose 2:3, and you can choose 1:1 or 3:2, whatever you want. Okay, so when you type enter, it's usually gonna generate you a photo, but for now it says due to extreme demand we can't provide a free trial right now. Please subscribe to create images with Midjourney. So all you need to do is click on manage account and visit the website. So click on subscribe. Oh, you need to click on subscribe first and then manage account. So from this one, it gives you options for it's gonna route you to a page where there are different kinds of plans. $8 plan, $24, $48, or $96. You can actually subscribe to get multiple photos, but for this one it actually doesn't let me get the free trial for now, since it says it has extreme demand as of the moment. But if you're able to get it for free at a different time, you're gonna be able to generate the images that you want. So for example, this one, someone just submitted an elephant in Antarctica, photo by Sid. Okay, so this is the guy that wanted this picture of an elephant in Antarctica. So it's gonna generate you the 4 images. So now it gives you different options for you. It actually means that if you click it, Midjourney will be able to generate a full resolution for whichever picture you select. So for you, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you select 3, it's gonna generate this picture in a full scale, and for V, it's gonna generate you 4 more pictures of that. So you can select whichever resolution or version you want. So that's how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and see you on the next video.